Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Madbaldman's Garage. So, I was really happy because I've already done a video about this, and then when I went back to look, there was no audio except the camera wasn't muted, so I'm really hoping that now that I'm talking, it's actually being recorded again, otherwise I will be a very mad bald man. Alright, so, actually I can do it a little bit better this time though, so it's not such a bad thing. Alright. So what we've got here is an upgrade to the Fortunate One. You remember, and I'll show you um, from my blueprints. The Fortunate One was a dual Fortune Harvester combo with a lot of ammo, Chameleon for stealth, and the Colossus for faster reload. Problem is now is that the Fortunes are 5 apiece, so I either had to lose the Colossus or I had to lose the Stealth. So I decided to lose the Stealth and the Harvester in favor of a triple Fortune setup. So that's what I've got. That's what I'm going to kind of show you. Hopefully audio is being recorded. If not, I might just voice over. Hell, I just might put subtext. I don't know. We'll see. It's a brave new world here in the Mad Bald Man's Garage. Alright, so let's drop some stuff on here, shall we? A couple side pieces because the generator's going to go in there. It gives it a little bit more side armor than it previously had. Cab. Going with the quantum. I have no idea what just appeared in there. Maybe some stuff around back. Oh yeah. Something that's not attached to anything yet. That's some ammo, but it will be. But currently it's not. There's some extra ammo. There's the Colossus. Put on the horn. Build out the back end with some sides. Throw the top on. Notice that the back end here is pretty empty. Used to have a Chameleon back there, and with it not being there, I was able to roll the ammo pack a little bit farther forward. Alright, kind of building out the sides there. Still got pretty sturdy sidewalls. And kind of build out that side as well. Alright, so from here on out, it's pretty easy to guess how things are going to work. Had to put some stuff down there underneath because the Fortune attach points are on the very bottom and just 2 blocks in the very back on the sides. So you've got to build up some support for those guys. And so built up some down under the frame. I built some up on top of the frame for the Fortunes to sit on. Alright, so there's the one down low. There are the 2 up top. And then we just build out some armor around everything, and of course, the Festive Avenger. Alright, so there it is. Pretty badass. Pumps out a ridiculous amount of damage, effectively the same form factor as its previous incarnation. Maybe a little bit more snub up front because the Harvester isn't there. These guys are lowered, sitting behind some augmented armor. Just good times. Again, there is just no real way to tell you the good times that are afforded by triple Fortunes. I'm just going to have to show you. Alright, so now, first, let's get a look at what was. Alright, so there's our Skyfall, if you guys remember the retro, the dual retros, but those things just got shot off too bad. Alright, so here's the fortunate one, the initial, the one, the only. Dual fortunes up front with a harvester, and lots of ammo, and a chameleon, and a Colossus. Now this is our current iteration. You can see a little bit more snub up front. Wheels went a little farther forward. I was able to do that because the harvester was gone. And then you can see kind of the difference up front. Not a lot of difference, really. Now, as it turns out, we picked up some a little bit of armor, right? We went from 9802 to 9817, so we picked up 15 points of durability. But again, I'm ridiculously surprised that this is not above 10,000. Same with the previous guy. Just craziness that it is not. Because these things, as you'll see, I got a few videos. These things are just, they lay it down. It's fairly ridiculous. Look at that, just... Two volleys and it's all over. Good times, and that 20% reload really makes a difference in getting killed and being able to shoot back faster. All right, so I want to show this is kind of the normal approach vector for me. Now, normally I would stealth, so I have to use cover, speed, and surprise often. So here we go. Right, look at that. Look at that damage. Everything's open up at this point. So, yeah, it's hard to deal with this thing. Now, just for completeness, right? If we call version 1 out of retirement here, this is kind of what it would look like. Right? Kind of stealthed out here a little bit, looking for your target. You got your target. Just grinding. And that's cool, but what I found was that I was engaged way too long at that last grinding bit, and it was causing me to get pounded on a little bit. Plus, you know, to be honest, I was actually finding the fortunes a lot of fun, so I was actually hanging back and using them a little bit more, and really falling back to the harvester if somebody got on me, or if the fortunes got blown off. So, you know, do pretty good, to be honest, with the new setup. So I'll throw some videos on there, let you guys check it out and see for yourself. See what you think. I'll also put it in the exhibition. You see the name. We got Fortunate 1, and this is a Fortunate 1 2. That's 2 uppercase I's. So good times. You throw this into a crowd, and I guarantee you're going to get some of the most lively results you've seen. When you square up on somebody and drop the 3 sets of 3 on them, there are not too many rigs that are going to take more than 2 volleys of that. So, really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. Again, kind of almost 2,000 in durability. Again, a little bit over on weight, but you can see the really minor effects, so I feel good about that. Tell me how you feel. And thanks for watching, as always, and learning here in the Mad Bald Man's garage. Watch the combat afterwards and subscribe, guys, so you can not miss a moment of what happens here with the Mad Bald Man. Alright, guys, so hopefully we'll see you out on the field. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, Panda Rose on the other side. That's too bad, I like you. Let's see what kind of damage we can do here. Triple Fortunes. And a tall boy can of Diet Coke, so we are set to go. It's weird not having invisibility, but I had to cough it up for the third. First contestant.
We have losses, boys.
Now, looks like we got a group of them over here. Always fun at parties. Oh, dude. Really?
Well done, my boy. Here.
Ouch, that hat. Oh, took off my guns. Will somebody kill him? Oh, nice.
Yeah, this is
That was worth it at the end. How'd we do? Not too bad. This is just fun because it puts out a lot of damage. And it's a little unpredictable. You can toss stuff into a crowd and you get pretty good results. And pretty interesting results. So, let's do that again, man. Let's do that again. All right. Nice. Got a pretty full boat here in the post-apocalyptic paradise. What's everybody gonna do? I guess we're gonna go this way. Okay. Crap, look at that. Alright. It's just, this is the place to be, I guess. And we got somebody trying to tap the base. Alright, well, let's see if we can mop this up and get over there. Damn it, missed the opportunity. Alright. I think there's one more, that's ours. Where is he hiding at? He is behind me. What an asshole. Get out of here. Alright, we took a little damage there, kids. Let me get over here and take care. What the heck is going on there? Am I missing a track? Ah, I am missing a track. Alright, let's see if we can do this the old-fashioned way. Need to make some time now, because they're about halfway there. Looks like we already got some help. Let's see what we can do. Let's get this done. Where's homie at? Alright. Not bad. Little sloppy there, but that's what happens in the post-apocalyptic wasteland, kids. Alright, survivors. Thanks for watching the Mad Bald Man get crazy, and hopefully I'll see you out on the field. And look, man, this is just a fun build. You get a lot of parts destruction. You can get melee if you want to. I'm learning to stay back a little bit, so this is just a lot of fun. You guys should try it out. I'll post it in the exhibition. You guys tell me what you think. How do we do? Not too bad. 1 and 3. 4 overall, so that'll help the average.